Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful, fast and super colorful ring. This craft is perfect for children. I'm pretty sure they're gonna enjoy a lot making these rings and covering all their fingers with colors. These are the supplies you will need. And first of all, cut yourself about 8 centimeters of wire. You may need more, so just pay attention to your measurements. Make a loop in one of the sides, like this. Give it a ring shape, wrapping your wire around something cylindrical. This is a mascara bottle. And make another loop in the other end, like this. Now you have your ring base all done. Cut yourself another 15 centimeters of a thinner wire and wrap it this way. Using the loops, wrap the wire like 3-4 times. Cut the excessive wire. Flat the ends very well to avoid the scratches. Easy peasy. This is how it should look. And now wrap your wire in one of the sides, next to the loop you made. 3-4 times is enough, but it's up to you, of course. Now insert 3 beads, and maybe you need more, so just be sure that it's covering all the side of the loops, like this. Take your time, there's no need to rush. And once you're happy, wrap your wire around the base like a couple of times. That should be enough. Now insert the same amount of beads you inserted before. If you inserted 3, now 3. If you inserted 4, now insert another 4. Place it in the same way and wrap your wire around like a couple of times. Insert a bigger bead and wrap the wire again as many times as you need to make it even. And this is how it's look. As you can see, this wrapping is very tidy. Okay, now cut the excessive wire. Flat the ends to avoid scratches. And the ring is done. I told you, it's very easy and fast. You can use different colors, different shapes, different texture beads to make different flowers, but please, if you do, just let me know because I will be so happy to see your creations. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.